Hello, how to unhide all rows at once in Excel. So let's start. So this is my Excel and you can see in this data there are some rows is hide showing. So 5 number rows is hide here, 8 numbers row is hide, 11, 14. So these are the some rows is hide. So unhide at once, simply click on this arrow and select here the full sheets, and you can use the shortcut key Control Shift bracket to unhide all rows, same as I use the Control Z. And I show you here the second way. Simply right click on the row number and click on the unhide, and that's it. See, the all row is unhide. I use here the Control Z again, and there is a third way. Go to the Home tab in Cells group, click on the Formats option, and in Format, in Visibility, Hide and Unhide, and here the option Unhide Rows. That's it. So see, the all rows is unhide. So these are the three different ways you can unhide the rows at once. So hope you understood. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you so much.